The VersaLink printer-only control panel is similar to the multifunction products. The touchscreen and hard buttons are the same. Apps that require a scanner are not included. The Jobs and Device apps are important for managing jobs and changing settings. Navigate these apps just like the MFP. For example, to print a configuration page, scroll to About in the Device app. Access Secure Print jobs from the Jobs app. The USB app only provides print from. Consistency between printer-only products and multifunction products makes this control panel easy to navigate.